Alright, so this is the Ed table. Now, I was just going to show you, this is everything that comes inside of this little package here. Fit down into here is this, and this was of course neatly all folded up. Now, when you get to your camping site, you take everything out of this bag, and we wouldn't need it for the rest of the time. Then you take this, and you would open it up like so. And then take out your crossbars and put your crossbars in place. One here, and there's one on the other side over here. Once you put these in place, you'll have a very sturdy square, as you can see. Then you literally just take this. There's little grooves there on the bottom that pop right into these grooves. You pop it in on each side. And then bingo, you have a very sturdy, very little camping table for you to put whatever you may need on it. It definitely will get the job done, and it's very, very compact and easy to set up and take apart. So 2 thumbs up from me all day.